Welcome to today's Chatter No Frills Tech News with the top 5 stories of the day. GPT-5 delays, questioning all hands meetings, Spotify video podcast, Gemini's new app, and Beehiiv is courting publishers is today on the docket. So without further ado, let's get into it. Delays after delays for GPT-5. Scaling laws for AI language models may be reaching their limits. Researchers at major AI labs have been running into delays and disappointing outcomes in the race to release a larger language model that significantly outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4. OpenAI's new flagship model with the codename Orion did outperform GPT-4, but the performance gain was less than OpenAI engineers expected, and that Google, an upcoming iteration of its Gemini software, is not living up to internal expectations. So, the focus will shift to developing new architectures and approaches, potentially altering or even abandoning the current transformer structure. Ilya Sutskever, one of the ousted OpenAI co-founders, says, "The 2010s were the age of scaling, now we're back in the age of wonder and discovery once again. In the end, large language models will still improve, but not at the same rate as before. And this gives companies time to build a robust foundation in terms of intelligent workflows and data models." To all hands or not to all hands, that is the question. A 1-hour all hands for 1,500 employees costs somewhere around $225,000 USD, and product leaders argue that the standard all hands meetings could waste money and time, while brief actionable cross-department sessions could maximize their time. And these can lead to innovative solutions to complex organizational challenges, as thought leader John Cutler outlines, running 10 to 15 minutes of a 10-person cross-department breakout to source actionable feedback on a current issue versus the standard one-to-many relationship could actually find innovative solutions within an organization. However, a company may lack the channel then to create top-level alignment on key priorities, as well as introverts and quiet participants that might not fully contribute in that new setting. As one commentator argues, this introduces issues such as the loudest voice, confirmation bias, and introverts not contributing, which again at the end of the day, out of thousands of employees, only a few percent are actively engaging. Therefore, the format of an all-hands is a productivity question that is really dependent on culture. A high-performance culture will find forms to synthesize feedback into organizational actions with or without all-hands, while multitasking and losing less times during these all-hands. Spotify lures video podcasters. Spotify video podcast grew 60% year over year with 250 million users streaming video podcasts. And the new Spotify Creators Program allows podcasters to upload their shows as videos and earn money based on views. The ad-free content for premium users creates a unique viewing experience, mirroring that of YouTube Premium. And user Mac highlights the appeal to creators as the platform gives creators access to a huge pool of engaged listeners who spend about 40 hours a month on the platform. But creators also risk cannibalizing YouTube income if they shift focus to Spotify, and Spotify might also lack YouTube's algorithmic power. Plus, users see it as a distraction from the core use case, listening to music. The infinite growth death sentence, if Spotify could just be what it like 5 years ago, I would be happy forever. Spotify is building a moat, reinvesting their recent profits into more content to strengthen the appeal of their subscription. They have to monitor, though, if music purists might wander off to Deezer or Apple Music. Google's Gemini gets its own app. Gemini now supports 40 languages and has access to all of Google's real-time search results. The new dedicated app simplifies access to Google's AI while enhancing its conversational capabilities. It enables lifelike back-and-forth voice chat, making interactions feel natural and intuitive. Users love the search integration, enabling basic searches like "who just won a game" that require current information. However, competing with ChatGPT and other established tools like Perplexity will require continuous innovation. Many users see other model performances as superior. Reddit's most upvoted comment states, "GPT over Gemini, not even close." Google is going after GPT, trying to meet users where they already are. A critical milestone will be enhancing the model quality and integrations with third-party apps. The newsletter race, Beehiiv versus Substack. Beehiiv's media collective offers $1 million in legal coverage and health insurance to journalists, and providing these social benefits might attract independent publishers to their platform. Beyond these benefits, the platform wants to help creators monetize via ads. As one creator with 10,000 subscriber shares, they've got a true two-sided ad business. Best case scenario is covering your cost, plus some walking around money. But the key competitor Substack rewards writers directly through paid subscriptions, which can be much more lucrative. Also, they have a wallet-friendly plan to attract new publishers, as creators start on their free up to 10,000 subscribers plan. This is a case where competition is good for customers. Thanks to Beehiiv's recent effort to court creators, creators now have more options to choose from.